email query next. Satish Gulati says that he has booked a flat in Amrapali Centurion Park at Greater Noida in 2010. He has received the possession letter from the builder. He wants to know if he should now hold the property or he should sell it. What would you suggest?
I would say wait for the metro to be completed. In the Delhi NCR region, a metro is a clear determinant of values, and the metro work is going on at great speed in the Greater Noida area. Even if it comes near your project, it may not actually touch your project, but if it becomes easily accessible by metro, you see a 10 to 25% jump in prices. Now, right now, there is a lot of the values have held steady. There is some demand in that market. So if you get a really good offer, sell, and it's okay. You've got possession, and at possession values go up. But I would say that if you're just getting a very level kind of offer, hold on to your property. Once the metro is complete, you're going to get a much better value. But in the meantime, I think if you can get some kind of rental return, that would be good for you.
Jayashree, very quickly, you said 10 to 25% bump up in prices once metro starts functioning. Now, is this 10 to 25% over the lifetime of, the construction of the metro, or is it once the metro actually starts operations?
Once the metro actually starts operations. In fact, when the metro is actually under construction, especially not in this area because this is early stage development, in places which are crowded and there's a metro work going on, it's very inconvenient to stay there, and we normally see prices dropping while the construction process is going on. But once the metro is almost ready, you can see trial runs happening. You start seeing rental values going up, and at another 3-4 months, you see the sale prices going up too.
Right. So 10 to 25% bump up in prices, not to be sneezed at, Satish. Best thing to do is to hold on to that property of yours.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.